So guys, here is it one more rhyming game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 639 by the name of decode base 2. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and this question is little bit bigger because it's a hard one question which we are solving in the LeetCode Cam website. Okay, and in today's question, there are the two topics are included by the name of strings and dynamic programming, and total 2,67 has been uh, submitted it and only 83,000 has been accepted, and total acceptance rate is 31.4%. Yes, we are solving this question in today's video. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So without wasting any time, without taking any long time, let's move toward on the computer screen. But first of all, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and all the notification bell also for more amazing these type of tutorials. And if you haven't access my LeetCode Camp playlist and bookmark it, so go and access it and bookmark it fastly. Okay, so but anyways, let's move to our computer screen, and without taking any long time, move to your computer screen. Let's do a coding with laughing it. So guys, let's start our today's video. In today's video, we are solving our question number 1639 by the name of decode base 2. So now let's start to solve today's question, and now let's start. A message is containing letters from A till Z can be encoded into numbers using the following mapping. Highlighted this word by the name of encoded. Okay. Now, in the A section here he written down 1, in the B 2, and then blah blah blah, and in the Z, in the last one there is 26. To decode an encoded message, all the digits must be grouped, then mapped back into the letters using the reverse of the mapping above. There may be multiple ways. For example, 1106 can be mapped into. In the map into, please highlight this word, decoded, mapped into like AAJF with the grouping 11, 10 and 6, and then KGF with the grouping of 11, 10 and 6, like this. Okay, there are 2 points highlighted as 2 points. Note that the grouping 11106 is invalid because 06 cannot be mapped into a sign 6. Is different from 06. In addition to the mapping above, an encoded message may contain the star character, which can represent any digit from 1 to 9. 0 is excluded. For example, the encoded message 1 star may represent any of the encoded messages like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 19 means 19, or you can also be said like this. And decoded 1 star is equivalent to decoding any of the encoded message it can be represent. It given a string as consisting of digits and star characters. We want it in the number of ways to decode it. So the answer may be very large, written it modulo 10 plus 7. In the example one, here he created one string by the name of s, in which he wrote down star, and the output is becoming 9 because the encoded message can represent any of the encoded message like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Each of these can be decoded to the strings like a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h and I respectively. Hence there are total of 9 ways to decode star. Example 2. Here he written down, here he created a string by the name of s, in which he wrote down 1 and star, and the output is becoming 18 because the encoded message can represent any of the encoded messages like 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 or 19. So each of these encoded messages have 2 ways to decode it. For example, 11 can be decoded to AA or K. Hence, there are total of 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18. So ways to decode 1 star. Okay. In the example 3, here he created a one string s, in which he wrote down add 2 and star, and the output has been coming 15 because the encoded message can represent any of the encoded messages like 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 or 29. So 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26 has 2 ways of being decoded, but 27, 28, 29 only have 1 way. So hence there are total of 6 multiplied by 2 plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equals to 12, and in 12 you plus 3 is equals to 15. So ways to decode it to start. Okay, so there are the two constraints it has been given you also. So if you want to view it, so view it down. Okay, but now let's try to solve today's question in the LeetCode website. So I hope you understand the question in easy way. If you do not understand the question, so please rewind the video and then see all the things one more time which I am telling it. Okay, so please come on to here, come on to the question. It's a hard one question which we are solving, and these are topics. Two topics are included: string and dynamic programming. So now let's start to solve today's question without wasting any time. First of all, we define class of a solution in which we define name the decoding self comma a s is for a string minus greater than int. Okay, define d equals to default day, define int here. Perfect. Okay, now when we do this all the thing, we define for loop I in range 1 comma 27 semicolon t str and then I. Perfect. Define here equals to n for I in range, then time 10 here I'm looking down, then semicolon, then d, and then here I define star plus str, and which we define I equals to 1 plus I less than 7. Enter. Okay, this codes are a little bit tricky. Okay, d square. In the semicolon you define star comma t, in the semicolon you define 2 stars, and then comma, then d, then semicolon, then 1 star comma d, then semicolon 2 star, and then define here equals to 9 comma 15 comma 9 comma 6. Perfect. Now when we do this all the thing, you only want to do it, remove these codes and then enter. Right here n comma m should be in capital, then define the length s minus 1 comma 10 multiply by 9 plus 7. Perfect. dp equals to ds, then 0 and then plus, and then 0 and then multiply by n, and then plus, and then define in the bracket 1. Okay, and when you do this all the things, you define for loop I in range. Okay, so when you do this all the thing, you only want to do it backspace here and then semicolon, and define 1 comma 2 equals to s, and then I plus 1 comma s I plus s, then I plus 1. Perfect. Now when we do this all the thing, you only want to do it, define dp, remove this all the thing, dp I plus 1 equals to t1 dp I, give the space here, one more time, plus back, plus, okay, plus enter, give the space here, define d2, in which he wrote in down multiply by dp I minus 1, and then module m. Perfect. So when we do this all the thing, you only want to do it if not dp I plus 1 semicolon return 0, and then return and give the space dp minus 2. Perfect. So now last thing is to run this code. So when I run this code, so now let's see the running code. So when I run this code, so now running code has been accepted. In the case when the expected output is 9, mouse output having 9. In the case the expected output is 18, mouse output having coming 18. In the case the expected output is 15, and mouse output coming 15. Last thing is to submit this code. So now when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be accepted, and I be 93.73% people. So now let's paste this solution in the LeetCode website. So I have pasted it down. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we solve question number 1639 by the name of decode ways 2. So if you enjoyed today's video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And now we are very near to complete 300 questions in the LeetCode website. We total complete 288. So I think only 10 to 20 are left. Okay, or sorry, 12 questions are left to complete 3000 question. So we are very near to it. But anyways, if you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials, and see my all the solving question which I am solving it and posting it. Okay, so now let's meet you in next video, and next very amazing video like this. So now please don't forget to access my playlist and bookmark it, and my Davrian channel. So go and subscribe my Davrian channel and like it. But anyways, let's meet in the next video, next very amazing video. So for today, goodbye.